The most important factor that came up as a result of my interview with Anthony Glow, the IT coordinator at the school where I teach, is the diligence that must be in place for the subject of security. When discussing the trends, I would have thought that the continually advancing technology and the opportunities that are available would remain the main subject of the discussion. But from Anthony's point of view, security was a major concern. Security is so important at many levels. First, the security and privacy of the families we serve. As educators, we do more than just transfer information from the curriculum to the students. We also manage relationships with families and must be concerned on many levels with the information about them. Therefore, security must be of utmost importance. Secondly, we are managing the grades and information that will help these students as they further themselves in their education and their life choices. We must, as an institution, ensure that this information goes untampered with and is preserved. Finally, when I think about security, I think we must protect the integrity of the school that we serve. Every time we put something online, we open doors to intruders or hackers that may have ill intent, not only to what we are doing individually, but for the public facility that we work at. So, looking at it upon further consideration with all the technology that's out there, I would have to say that security is a major issue that we must be concerned a bit with when talking about technology in our schools.